Honda's engineers have been very busy making sure the HR-V is totally on the leading edge of technology. So, let's take a look at what they've been up to for 2019.
First thing you'll notice when you drive it is how quiet it is inside. It's got more noise insulation, and some models use a system called active noise cancellation to make unwanted sounds disappear. Most models get this new display audio. It's a touchscreen gateway to all kinds of audio channels. Plus, it easily integrates with your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto-equipped smartphone, so you can stay connected to your world while on the road. The new Sport model has some distinctive interior features, including a black ceiling liner, these really cool sport pedals, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter. Plus, every 2019 HR-V benefits from redesigned seats that make for even greater comfort and support. A richer fabric dresses up the LX, Sport, and EX models, while supple perforated leather ups the plush feeling of EXL and Touring.
Along with a more robust body structure on all trims, 2019 HR-V EX and above models come equipped with the Honda Sensing suite of features. It includes the collision mitigation braking system and road departure mitigation system, both designed to enhance safety performance. Plus, Honda Sensing's lane keeping assist system and adaptive cruise control can help make driving easier and less tiring.
For those who want the ultimate system for navigating unfamiliar streets and finding food and services along the way, the 2019 HR-V Touring is the model that comes with the excellent Honda Satellite Link navigation system. Touring drivers get to enjoy the Navi in the comfort of their 8-way power driver's seat. Plus, the HR-V Touring even comes with the HomeLink built-in remote system for garage doors and such. Nice.
If you haven't already seen the updates to the 2019 Honda HR-V's exterior styling, have a look at that video too. Plenty of info is also available at hrv.honda.com. And if you want to learn the full story, head on over to your Honda dealer now.